Planning a move to or from Ontario, wondering how to estimate your moving costs? We're here to break down how moving expenses are calculated and help you find the best rates using the Ontario Moving Cost Calculator by 3 Movers. Many people know that moving can be expensive, but few understand exactly how moving costs are determined. With our moving calculator, you can easily estimate your expenses and plan your move without the financial stress. Let's dive into the key factors that impact your moving cost, including distance, size of your home, and additional services. The distance of your move is one of the biggest factors in determining cost. Are you moving across town or across the country? Local moves are typically charged by the hour, while long-distance moves are based on weight and distance. For local moves within Ontario, movers charge an hourly rate. Expect a minimum of 1 to 2 hours for any move, with the rate increasing based on the total time needed. For long-distance moves, anything over 700 kilometers, the cost is calculated differently. You'll be charged based on the weight of your belongings and the distance between your old home and your new one. Several other factors can affect your final moving costs, such as professional packing services, moving date, and even access conditions at your pickup and drop-off locations. Opting for full-service packing and moving adds convenience, but comes with additional costs. However, it significantly reduces the risk of damage to your belongings. The timing of your move can also impact the price. Moving during the off-season or mid-month can help you save money. Avoid the busy summer months and holidays if possible. At 3 Movers, we make moving easy and affordable. From local to long distance, we've got you covered. Use our Ontario Moving Cost Calculator today and start your move with confidence.